The other part of the formal paperwork is the language or the Lexis analysis sheet. So the language analysis more for grammar points or language chunks, and the Lexis for vocabulary. So we're going to have a brief look at this. Up at the top, again, you've just got some general information about the lesson, including what approach you've followed for the language or the Lexis. So in this case, a guided discovery task. And then we're looking at example sentences taken from the discovery task that I've used. Beneath this are key phonological features, as it suggests here. So we're looking at the pronunciation, so contraction, weak forms, connected speech, sentence stress, word stress. Stress should be shown also. In the next column, we're looking at the meaning. So I've given it the meta language of the past perfect, and then I've explained what the past perfect actually means. And then, much like you will have done on the CEL2, I'm sure, we're looking at the form in the positive, the negative, and the question form where necessary. And lastly, how you intend to check the meaning. So again, the CCQs need to be planned and written, okay, for both the positive and the negative in this case. And perhaps it's not a CCQ, it might be for a Lexis point, it might be an image, it might be a timeline for a tense. There are many ways of checking. Okay, and I've explored the language in full for the past perfect, the present perfect, and the future perfect also. On the final sheets, stages for the controlled and freer, and finally some anticipated problems. Okay, so again, this needs to be thinking about the meaning, the form, and the pronunciation, and suggesting some solutions for these problems. Sometimes it might be a case of just saying, only if necessary. And sometimes there might be a question that comes up from the class naturally, organically, a question that you don't really intend to cover on that day. For example, I don't intend on talking to my elementary students about the present perfect.